From sand to silicon, how semiconductors and chips are made. The modern world runs on semiconductors, tiny components at the heart of computers, phones, cars, and nearly every electronic device. But few people realize that these powerful chips start as simple sand. Beach with umbrella. Step 1. From sand to silicon. The process begins with silica sand, which contains a high percentage of silicon dioxide (SiO₂). This sand is refined multiple times to remove impurities. Heated to extremely high temperatures to produce pure, electronic-grade silicon. This ultra-pure silicon is the base material for modern semiconductor chips. Ice cube. Step 2. Creating silicon ingots. The purified silicon is melted and slowly cooled to form a large, single crystal structure called a silicon ingot. This is done through a process known as the Czochralski method. A small seed crystal is dipped into molten silicon. It's slowly pulled upward while rotating, forming a solid cylinder of pure crystal. These ingots can be up to 12 inches 300 millimeters in diameter. Fork and knife with plate. Step 3. Slicing into wafers. Once cooled, the silicon ingot is cut into thin slices using diamond-tipped saws. Polished to a mirror-like surface. These slices are called wafers, and they serve as the foundation for building semiconductor circuits. Step 4. Building the chip layers. Each wafer goes through hundreds of complex steps to create microscopic electronic circuits. Photolithography. A light-sensitive coating is applied, and UV light etches tiny patterns onto the wafer. Etching and doping. Chemical processes add or remove materials to create transistors and electrical paths. Layering and metallization. Multiple layers are built up, with metal lines to connect circuit elements. This process repeats many times to form millions or even billions of transistors on a single chip. Scissors. Step 5. Cutting and packaging. Once the chips are complete, the wafer is cut into individual die chips. Each chip is tested, then packaged into a protective case with connectors. The final product is sent to manufacturers for use in electronic devices. From a handful of sand to billions of transistors, the process of making semiconductors is a masterpiece of engineering and precision. These tiny chips power everything from smartphones and laptops to space shuttles and AI systems, proving that even something as common as sand can shape the future.